So your fourth question is you are asked to solve this system R 2 6 3 9 4 1 3 5 x equal to 2 7 6. Okay, so if I am selecting 17, then this one is 17. Okay, so this is 17. So if you are checking the row diagonal dominance, this is the diagonal element of first row. So 17, what is diagonal dominance means? The diagonal magnitude of diagonal element must be greater than or equal to the sum of magnitude of remaining elements. So 17 is greater than 2 plus 6. So this is diagonally dominant. What about this one? 9. This is diagonal element. 9 is greater than 3 plus 4. So this is diagonally dominant. Now this one, this is 5 greater than 1 plus 3. So this is diagonally dominant. But the problem is these two are okay. But if this one is less than 8, if you are asked to substitute the roll number, so the student whose roll number is less than 8, for those students this one will be this particular one will not be a diagonally dominant one. Okay, so what they can do, so through swapping they have to try whether try to convert that one to a diagonally dominant one through swapping, or by using a simple row operation if possible do it, otherwise stop it. The reason is not mathematician point of view, engineer point of view, we are expecting an answer. Okay, so if you are doing a number of row operations, complicated operations, row operation, then why can't you use the elimination method? You can definitely use elimination method. Okay, so this one is engineer's point of view. Research point of view, we need more precise modification, etc. So engineering point of view, this one is a research. If you want an answer, that's all. The analysis, the characteristics, etc. are not an important one. We want a value on it. At that situation, you can use direct method. But direct method have a number of problems, especially conditioning system. Then the round off, etc. have more effect if you are using direct elimination method. Okay, so here this one is the given system. Now what we have to do, we have to modify this one as accept the diagonal element, shift all other elements to right hand side. So we have 17x1, okay, that is equal to 2 minus 2x2 minus 6x3, right? Then next one is 9x2 is equal to, so this is 2, 9x2 is equal to 7 minus 3x1 minus 4x3. Okay, now this one is 5x3 equal to 6 minus x1 minus 3x2. Okay, so please note, then divide the entire equation by this coefficient. Divide the first equation by 17, divide the second equation by 9, divide the third equation by 5. Okay, so I am going to do this in this algorithm. Now substitute the left hand side with for example, replace x1 with n plus 1, x2 n plus 1, x3 n plus 1. Right hand side, replace x2 and x1, x2, x3 with x1 n, x2 n and x3 n. Okay, so this one is a procedure. So first one, divide the entire equation by 7, first equation, divide the second equation by 9, divide the third equation by 5, then replace the left hand side x with xn plus 1, replace the right hand side x with xn. So this one is the algorithm a b. Okay, now this is x1 is equal to b1, this is b1 to minus this a1, okay, minus a2 all divided by a11. So this is a11 all divided by a11. Instead of dividing each individual term by a11, first this one is taken, divided by a11. Similarly, x2 is equal to, this is x2 is equal to b2, this is b2, 7 is b2 minus a21, so this is a21, 3 is a21 into x1 minus a23, so this is a23, this is a23, that is 4 into x3 all divided by a22, this 9 is a22. Similarly, we have third equation. Okay, so if continuous x values are equal, this algorithm is terminated if continuous x values are equal. So here the first iteration, this algorithm will show the first 10 iteration. After that, it will give the final value. Okay, so I am going to run this program. So the matrix after, so here there is no need to swap it. So the matrix is 7, 2, 6, then 3, 9, 4, then 1, 3, 5. Okay, the second one is 2, 7, 6. Sorry, transpose, because that one is a column vector. So this is after first iteration, after second iteration, after third iteration, after fourth, fifth iteration, sixth iteration, seventh iteration, eighth iteration, ninth iteration, then so this is 10th iteration, right? Now you can see that now the final iteration, the 20 after 21st iteration, this one is converged. So it took 21 iteration. So after 21 iteration, x is equal to minus 0.2860, 0.4290, and 1. Means if you are taking b minus a into x, you can see that the residue is very small, very small. Okay, so this one is a solution. This one is not the exact solution. This one is a numerical solution. That is, some difference is that one is shown here. Okay, so this is for 17. Instead of 17, if it is 2, then definitely we have to swap it. As per our class discussion, we have to swap this one. So first one, you compare the first column, largest element is 3. So we have to take 3, 9, 4, and corresponding output is 7. Okay, then compare, so this row is over. Now compare the second one, largest element is 1, 3, 5, means 3 is the largest element if you are comparing 2 and 3. So 1, 3, 5, output is 6. Now last one, 2, 2, 6, so that is equal to 2 after swapping. Okay, after swapping. Okay, so for this one, if you are running this algorithm, then 3, 9, 4, 1, 3, 5, 2, 2, 6. Okay, b is equal to 7, 6, 7, 6, 2. That one is a column vector. So this is after first iteration, 7, 8th iteration, 9th iteration. Now you can see that this is diverging. No, so I am running this algorithm up to 100th iteration. So after 100th iteration, you can see that this one is a very large value. This one into 10 raised to 24 means this one is diverged. Okay, So is it a problem of this method or not? Is it singular? So check the determinant of A. Determinant is 44. This one is a problem of this swapping. Okay. So instead of that, so this one is as per the class discussion. Instead of this, here clearly this 9 is the largest element. So if you are comparing x2, this one is the largest element. But here what is happening? That one is acting as the first row. So instead of that, if you are keeping this one as second row, 3, 9, 4. Now compare the remaining rows. Which one is best fit for first one? You can see that 2, 2, 6, 1, 3, 5. So if you are selecting this one as the first row or this one is the first row, anyway, the corresponding diagonal element will not be a dominant one. Corresponding row will not be a diagonally dominant one. But what about x3? If you are selecting these two, both will be a best fit. This is, if 6 is the diagonal element, means third row, then 6 is greater than 2 plus 2, 4. Here also 5 is greater than 1 plus 3. But here you can see that this is 1 plus 3, that is 4, very close to 5. This is 2 plus 2, that is not that much close to 6 compared to this one. So we can select this one as the third row. This one is the best fit. Now last one is 1, 3, 5. Okay, again please note, now this 3, 9, 6, this row is dominant. 2, 2, 6, this is dominant, but this is not dominant. So this one is, this matrix is not row diagonally dominant, but at least 2 are dominant. So check whether it is working or not. So A is 1, 3, 5, 3, 9, 3, 9, 4, then 2, 2, 6. Okay, now what about the corresponding one? 1, 3, 5, so 6. Now 3, 9, 4, that is 7. Then 2, 2, 6, that is 2. Again it is diverging. It is diverging because the dominance of this row is 9 greater than 7. So dominance is 2 plus 2. Here it is 2. What about this one? This is 1, that is 4, minus 4. Not minus 4, 1, this is 3 plus 4, minus 7. So this one is not dominant, far away from the dominant. So if you are adding all these row dominants, the dominance of this matrix is minus 7 plus 2 plus 2, that is minus 3 only. Not greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so this is the result. Okay, so definitely we need some row operation, but if you are doing row operation, then why can't we select the elimination method? That question will arise. Okay, so anyway, normally if you are doing swapping or the simple one, except the row operation, if you are doing row operation as determined is 44, definitely some row operation will be there. Definitely it will convert with a particular row operation. Otherwise, with this swapping only, this is not converting, it is diverging. What about if you are substituting this matrix directly? That also we have to try. 2, 2, 6, 3, 9, 4, 1, 3, 5. What about this? So this is A, B is 2, 7, 6. That is also diverging. You can see that very large value. That is also diverging. Okay. So this is fourth question.